On Kenyans to make a wise decision come 2022 on the government they will vote in, saying it should be a government that will concentrate on resuscitating the economy. He was speaking in Nyaribo village, Nyeri town constituency, during the burial ceremony for the late Mwalimu Gashanja wa Kiai, the brother to human activist Maina Kiai.
The formula must be correct. Nobody must feel that the formula is against them. So you are right. The formula must be right. But most important, we must make sure that the cake does not continue to shrink. Because even if you have the right formula and the resources are not there because they're being consumed by debt and other things, we shall continuously fall into this habit. So we all have an obligation in the spirit of Kiai going forward to ask ourselves, what kind of leadership are we looking for post-2022? Is it a leadership that can actually resuscitate the economy? Because the problem is the economy, number one. Problem number two, the economy. Problem number three, the economy.